Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this error. So here you can see it, error, we are sorry but something went wrong. Please try again on your Instagram. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So mostly it happened because you just have problems with your internet. But also you can try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So after just go to the settings, in the settings you need to check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.